Welcome to this course, where you'll learn about vector search with NoSQL databases. Did you know that 80 to 90% of data organizations collect is unstructured, outgrowing structured data? A recent Forbes report also states that 95% of businesses consider managing unstructured data their prime challenge. Imagine searching for similar products based on a customer's photo, not just keywords. That's the power of vector search. Vector search in NoSQL databases is crucial as it empowers organizations to manage data and derive insights from huge volumes of unstructured data. If you are a professional with knowledge in NoSQL database operations and applications, this hands-on course is for you. This course is also best suited for professionals who have extensive experience working with Node.js. It is also beneficial for individuals who aspire to acquire knowledge of vector databases and enhance their skills in this domain. In this micro course, you will learn about MongoDB and its capabilities in vector search. You will also learn to store and index vectors efficiently in MongoDB, perform vector searches, and apply these techniques in text similarity analysis and building image classification systems. You will explore Cassandra's vector search capabilities, features for storing and querying vectors, and the steps involved in performing vector searches in Cassandra. Through instructional videos, reinforced by hands-on labs, you will learn to perform vector searches in MongoDB and Cassandra. You will assess your learning with practice and graded quizzes and strengthen your knowledge with reference materials such as glossaries and coding cheat sheets. Lab topics include setting up MongoDB Cloud account, setting up MongoDB Docker, News Finder service with MongoDB Atlas, books plot search with MongoDB Atlas, setting up Cassandra Docker, Songs discovery service with Cassandra Vector DB, product review search with Cassandra Vector DB. We're very happy to have you with us as you start your vector search NoSQL databases journey. Let's get started.